My name is Darren Cannell. In the last week, I have been working on a method of digital drawing which I call the splash technique. Many of us have seen this method as it is used by street graffiti artists. It starts with a splash of paint, then scribbles are added, and then limited details are added to pull a subject out of the paint, doodles, and lines. A Chinese artist called Hua Tunan does some amazing work using this technique. And among these are a series of birds. So in the last week, I have been watching his step-by-step videos and have been trying to get better at this technique. The first image that I did of his, I'm going to save to the last because I like it the most, and I did that one a couple of months ago and the other 5 I did last week. The first one was this baby eagle. Hua's drawing did not look like a baby, but I enlarged the eyes and went for softer feathers and voila, a baby eagle. These paints are very fast to do and a lot of fun. The second one was the owl. The third one was a barn owl. Then I did an eagle with attitude. I did that by playing with his eye. And then I did a hawk-type bird. And then the last one that I liked the best.